In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link social media account to Hootsuite. To get started, you will sign into your Hootsuite account, then make sure you are viewing the main dashboard. Once you are there, the first action is to click your profile image icon in the bottom left corner. This is usually located at the lower part of the interface, so take a quick moment to visually confirm you see your profile picture or avatar there. Clicking it opens a menu where you can manage account settings and connections. Next, from that menu, select Social Accounts and Teams. This step matters because it is the specific area of Hootsuite where you can connect networks to your organization. When you click this option, you should see a section related to social integrations, along with tools for adding or organizing connected accounts. If you do not see it immediately, look for it within the same menu list, since the layout can vary slightly depending on your view. After you open Social Accounts and Teams, you will click the plus icon next to your organization name. The plus icon is typically used for adding a new connection under the organization you are working with. Spend a moment here to ensure you are placing the click next to the correct organization name, especially if you have access to multiple workspaces. This helps you link the social account to the right place, so your teams will see the connection properly. Once you select the plus icon, the next step is to choose Connect Social Accounts. This selection tells Hootsuite that you want to create a new link to an external social network. You should now see a prompt or setup page where available social platforms are listed. Hootsuite will guide you through the connection process, but your job is to pick the correct platform and complete the authorization. Now you will select the specific social network platform you want to link. For example, if you are connecting a profile from a particular site, choose that platform from the list. Take a moment to confirm the platform name matches what you intend to connect, since linking the wrong network can create confusion later. After you select the platform, the setup will move you to the authorization flow for that network. At this point, Hootsuite will ask you to enter your login credentials in the secure window. This window should be part of the official authorization process. Only provide the credentials required for that network, and make sure you are entering them in the secure prompt that appears during the connection. After you enter your information, you will be prompted to approve the requested permissions. Finally, review and approve the requested permissions in the authorization window. Permissions control what Hootsuite is allowed to access, such as the ability to post, view certain account information, or manage engagement, depending on what the platform offers. Make sure the permissions shown are appropriate for how you plan to use the account in Hootsuite. Once you approve them, the connection will be established, and your social account should appear within the Social Accounts and Teams area. As you complete the final approval, it is a good idea to watch for a confirmation message or an updated status showing that the account is connected. If the connection process takes a moment, allow it to finish loading so Hootsuite can register the integration properly. After the account is connected, you can return to your dashboard and continue working with your social channels through Hootsuite. And that covers everything you need to know. You have successfully linked your social media account to Hootsuite.